Hello everybody. I want to say a very big thank you to everybody who has been so supportive in this growth of my channel. I want to appreciate every one of you. I say you all are the best. You all are the best, trust me, and I will not take any of you for granted. You means a lot to my growth as a YouTuber. To blow. blow. So if you want me to blow, guys, don't waste your time to share me out to your friends, share me out to your community. If you want me to blow, share my video, watch my video in full, give it a like, comment, share, put on the notification bell. Okay guys, I beg you, if you want me to blow as a YouTuber. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you all. Stay blessed. Today, this video, you got to watch it to the end and leave your comment and I will get back to you. And thank you so much. Keep watching and bye. Yes, I'm unboxing my earphone. It just came from Amazon today. So let's unbox it. The box. Like this. Oh, I'll take this off. Pro X True Wireless headset. Earset. Then you connect it through your Bluetooth to any of your phone you want to use. Like I got two phones, so I connect it to one particular phone. You can change it even to, you can use this on your laptop as well. They delivered other things, but those are for my car. Like this. My car steering cover. Like then where I put my drinks, I need some like the table mats. It's wireless, you know. Then I bought one wig. It's there. Just short woman hair wig, coily. The pots. When you want to charge just too tired, guys. Put it in this pot. Let's do this one. To charge it. Okay. Put it here. That's the charger. It's like a little egg. Oh my god. This thing I paid £35 for this tiny little thing. Can you imagine that? 35 quid I paid. Oh, is it echoing what I'm saying? Look at that. So you plug it in your ear. So I'm gonna set it up with my phone. Oh, it's already on. Look. Oh, it's off. When it's on, it's showing green light. Can you see? That's the charger to charge it. Oh dear Lord. Because using that ordinary earphone with the wire, that one, this is wireless. But how do you open this one then? Oh, this is new to me. Let me not go and break it. Look at it. So all I do, put it in my ear like this. Oh, it's already talking. Oh, that's all I do. It's on now. That is it. Where do you charge it then? Oh, this port, that is where you're gonna charge it when you want to charge it. It goes in the pot like this. There. Goes back in the pot like this. So when I want to charge it, this is where it goes. This cord goes in here. Then you put it on a USB charger phone. Connect. Then charge it. Look. This is more handy than this one. This one I keep buying. It doesn't last. I keep buying. This year I bought. I think this is the second time I'm buying. I think this lasts longer. This is handy, unique. You know, you just charge it, then carry it and put in your ear. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up. Share me out to your friends, your friend. It's free to thumbs up. It's free to subscribe. You don't pay any money to subscribe. So what are you waiting for? You are missing. Come on, go on. Go and hit the red button that says subscribe. The other one says notification. Press it, poke it, you know, so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So that is my pod earphone. It's called pod earphone, yeah. So this is it, like I showed you before. Okay, so when you want to use it, you take it out from the box, then that is it, like this. Oh, I'm taking this off. This one goes like this in your ear, like that. Then you connect it through your Bluetooth to any of your phone you want to use. Like I got 2 phones, so I connect it to one particular phone. You can change it even to, you can use this on your laptop as well, your PC. Yeah, like this, like that. Got it in my ear. It's just handy. You just go. It's wireless, you know, easy to use, handy to use, and that is the port. When you want to charge it, you put it in this port to charge it. Connect it here with your USB wire. Okay, guys, look at that. So I'm gonna put it back in the pot. Keep it safe. It's handy, you know. I like it. So it will show you left or right. You can see L. See the L. So they put L and arrow left, right. Okay. It directs you on which ear to use them. You know. So guys, I love you all. You all are the best. Thank you so much for your massive continuous support towards this channel. And I say thank you to all my viewers around the world, around the globe, you know, who has been encouraging me to keep uploading. So if you know you are not yet part of this family, you don't subscribe to this channel. It's free. You don't pay any money to subscribe. It's free. Just use one of your hand. Poke that red button that says subscription or subscribe. After that, remember to put the notification bell on so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So bye guys, see you soon guys. Bye, I love you all. Phone earbud. It's called earbud. Phone earbud or earbud for phones. Yeah. Technology. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Remain blessed. Subscribe, put on the notification bell, and stay blessed. See you soon in my next video. And bye.